Hi everyone, thank you so much for saying yes to participating in my back to school teacher appreciation event. I'm hoping I won't take too much of your time. We'll be out of here in just about 10 minutes or so. I do just want to highlight some of the products that I use on a daily basis that help me get through my teaching day and really get me through my entire year. So, those of you that are already clients of mine, you're well aware of what Arbonne is. I would love to play this video for everyone, but I know if I do, the audio is not going to play. So basically, what is Arbonne? We've been around for 40 years. It is a company that is dedicated to putting out the best products for your body, mind, and skin. If you would like to have a conversation outside of this presentation, there's obviously so much more to this company, and I would love to share it with you, so feel free to reach out. Now, why are you participating? Because anybody that watches this video will be entered into a raffle. I'll be picking 3 people, and when you are picked, you will have a choice of 3 different products. So I will tell you what I have, and you can choose what you would like to win. My preferred clients, as a reminder, you get free shipping on all orders over $150. You get 20% off all your products, and you get 40% off the Arbonne Special Value Packs. If you're not a preferred client, I will explain that in a minute, but you just see that you want 1 or 2 products. If you live by me and you just want 1 or 2 products, I can easily add it to my personal order, and I will give you 10% off of that product or your entire order and deliver it to you when it comes in. Anyone placing an order in this event will get a free gift from me in the mail. And then anyone becoming a new preferred client, so if you do want to take advantage of the advantages I mentioned above, preferred clients have to pay $29 for the year, but it gets them all of those benefits and more that I haven't even mentioned. So if you become a new preferred client, if you host an event or you refer a friend to me, then you will also get another entry into the raffle. So before I get into the products I want to highlight, I didn't want to ignore the fact that we still do have these 2 flagship lines. These 2 product lines are really 2 different presentations that I don't have the time to share with you right now. But after a long summer of being out in the sun and doing a little bit of damage to our skin, I could go into great detail and lengths about how the RE9 anti-aging skincare set should be an integral part into your daily routine. I can share more information on that with you if you want. We have multiple lines in our skincare lines, but this is the one that is our most popular. Our 30 Day to Healthy Living is also a fantastic program. We have groups that start up every single month with Facebook support, some minor coaching from me. You get recipes and products to supplement you on your journey to get you to making healthier choices and decrease some of those foods in your system that are causing some allergies or some inflammation. And just as a reminder, anybody that's a preferred client gets those for 40% off. Now, nutrition is the reason why I got into Arbonne. So I love all of the nutrition products. I don't have all the pictures up here, but I did want to highlight just the ones that I think would be beneficial to getting your year started off right. So the first one would be your protein shakes. Now, for me, I don't want to be running to a fast food place. I don't want to be eating a cereal that's a carb and starting off my day, with a high sugar spike. So I know that in my protein shakes, I'm getting the vitamins and minerals that I need. I can also supplement within that some other products. So you'll see some products on here like the Greens Balance that gets your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. The vitamin and mineral boost will give you your daily dose of what you need on that end as well. These are powders that you can very easily add into your shake. Some people do add our Digestion Plus in. I like to have that separately first thing in the morning. And our Digestion Plus is a pre and probiotic. So obviously we hear lots of people talking about having a healthy gut, and that would be our number 1 product to help you with your gut. Now, as far as energy is concerned, I would look to Energy Fizz Sticks. That is our coffee and soda replacement. So that's the first thing you could be drinking in the day if you really needed that kick. For me, I usually save it for the afternoon because I need a little boost in the afternoon, but you can have up to 2, sometimes 3 of these a day anyhow. The Mind Health product helps with focus and clarity. I actually use this with my children as well. So if you need help in that department, and I think we all will this year because we're going to need to be jumping from one Zoom meeting to another and one class to another, and our face is going to be in front of the computer screen a lot. So this might help with that little bit of focus. Now, if on the opposite side of the spectrum, you're feeling a little bit stressed out, we do have our new product called Intercom, and that has a proprietary blend with some ashwagandha root. And basically what that does is it kind of keeps you on that healthy balance. If you're feeling a little high, it brings you down a little bit. If you're a little low, it brings you up a little bit. I've been using this in the summer on the days I felt a little bit of overwhelm, and it's been a nice, tasteful little supplement to have. It has a very mild peach flavor. It's a green tea. So I have to stop myself from kind of guzzling the whole thing at once. So one of the other drinks on here also, it's not in stock at the moment, but I may have some on hand here, is Complete Hydration. It's part of our Phytosport line, which is our workout line. It's a pre, during, and post-workout drink. Or drinks. The Complete Hydration, I like to throw in there sometimes when I'm teaching, because there are days I'm certainly not drinking enough water and I might just need that little extra boost. And when I do feel that little headache coming on from being dehydrated, I just usually go to drink one of these, and that helps a little bit. So the other thing on here would be our Sleep Well spray. So for those of you that are like me, that you have those stress dreams, not just the day before school, but I think we'll be having them the first few weeks. This is a nice product that has melatonin and some other products in there, or ingredients in there, to help aid you get to sleep faster. Now, the last thing I have on the bottom, I did put together a package with protein, fizz, and tea. For those of you that are preferred clients and are looking to get that free shipping and need a restock on your products, and those of you that may potentially have a free gift this month, because as preferred clients, you do get those from time to time, that is the magic number. If you put the protein, fizz, and tea, or detox tea together, which is really good for cleansing our liver, that equals exactly to 150. So if you look at all the prices on this list, the first price listed is going to be the retail price. The price to the right of it is going to be if you are a preferred client. So if you wanted to pause this presentation and reverse or go back, you can actually look at the prices and some addition. So next we have our makeup and skincare. And those of you that know me, you know that I do not wear a lot of makeup, but I did get talked into the mascara, and now I feel like I can't live without it. In a day where we have masks on our face, I think mascara is even more important. So I did add that to the list. If you're looking, for the end of the day when you're super tired and you don't have time to do a whole skincare routine, I would encourage you to use our makeup wipes. Those take the makeup off super quick, in one little sheet, and you're done. The other addition that I do like is their micellar water. If you do not wear makeup, but you don't want to go through a whole skincare routine, honestly, the micellar water I use with my girls, it is a cleanser and a toner in one, and you'd be surprised how much dirt comes off of your skin. The eye gel pads, I do love. If I have not gotten a good night's sleep, I put those under my eyes, honestly, on the way to school. They're supposed to be on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's a perfect ride. I take them off when I get to school, and I'm good to go. Now, if you are looking for a skincare line, but you're not sure where to start, I would recommend with our Super Calm skincare set. That basically is for sensitive skin, so it's a good place to start. It's super simple, it's cost effective, and there are only 3 products. Now, what I do have in there is the pricing for the skincare set, which is the 3 products, and it does include that Intercom product that I mentioned above. So it's a good way to not just take care of the outside of your body, but the inside as well. So lastly, under Bath and Body, we have, I wanted to highlight 2 of our product lines. We have one that's called the Botaniques, and then we have one that is our Shea Butter line. So there are a handful of products within those lines, from hand cream to hand soap, deodorant, body lotions, lip balms. The Shea Butter tends to be a little bit more expensive than the Botaniques, but either one, honestly, I've used both of them. I love both lines. So if you're looking just to get a couple of products to get you through the winter, and the hand cream and the lip balm are the 2 I would absolutely recommend. If you're trying to keep that summer glow going a little while longer, I'd recommend our self tanner. A lot of people do add that to a lot of our lotions, so you're getting the hydration and that healthy glow at the same time. And then lastly, I just feel like deodorant is something that we all seem to talk about it at one time or another. Everybody seems to be looking for a healthier alternative. This is the one deodorant that I have found works wonderful, and it does not leave you feeling kind of wet or sticky. So I threw that in there as well. So I know I went through a lot of these things super fast, but as always, am here to answer any questions. I do have my website if you want to look up some of the products or see what else we have to offer, plus our ingredient policy. We are a very transparent company, so if you want to type in any ingredient into their website, it will tell you what product actually has it, or you'll see that it does not have it, more importantly. My number's on there for a phone call or a quick text. I'm on Facebook under Working on Wellness, and then I am on Instagram at Arbonne Life Cape Cod. So thank you so much again for listening. I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.